Ready?
Yeah, we're born ready.
Okay, we got 4 fingers up. Here we go.
4 and up, turn in.
Alrighty.
Okay, come right, come right. See what he does. Oh, he's staying high. Let's go now.
Go down a little.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Now pull up.
Not yet, not yet. Now.
Alrighty.
Oh, that's easy pull.
Yeah. I see him.
Okay.
Keep pulling.
That's good. Okay. Roll back to the right.
Pull back to the right.
Okay, there he goes. Nose down. Let's go to the outside here. Pull nose up.
There it goes.
Roll left. Roll left. That's it. Kind of keep him off our right side.
Alrighty. Alrighty.
All right.
Should I keep pulling?
Yeah, keep pulling.
Because we can probably bring...
Easy. Yeah, get your gun on him. Kill him. Good smoke, good smoke.
Alrighty.
All right. Spartan's off right.